This is Cyndy G, and in this video we're going to assemble the milk carton gingerbread house. Now this is designed to be small, but you can see here that I have the bottom separate from the bottom pieces. This way you can resize this and make this bigger if you would like it bigger. So it's 2 by 2 by, if you're just counting the space that the candy can like fit into, it would be 2 by 2 by 2, but you have like an extra almost 2 inches for the milk carton part that folds. Okay, so this can be resized to be quite a bit bigger if you would like. So I'm just going to start here with the bottom. Put these two pieces together and then also put the bottom piece on. So these tabs are kind of short, so you do have to really make sure that you get them adhered well. Okay. Then I'm just going to take my bone folder and just make sure I've really got this stuck on. Okay. Now for the main pieces, I've glued a couple of them together that are repetitive. So we're going to fold on our score lines. And again, this is a milk carton, so it does have this diagonal. You don't want to crease it all the way up to the top. You could use your bone folder for folding on these score lines if you wanted. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this so this can start drying. Because there's quite a bit of pressure on it because of the milk carton shape. So you want it to be dried well so it doesn't pull apart when you're trying to fold it. And because this doesn't have a bottom and it slides on, you can glue your milk carton top closed, or you can hold it closed with like a small decorative clothespin or something else. But you can. And again, because the tabs are short, and that's to help it look right if you resize it. Okay. So we'll just work on one side and then the other. Your icing roof has a little score line there. You just want to fold that down and just kind of outline with your glue to put your panel on. Your panel is for your sprinkles. And then I'm just going to glue the top part, not the part that folds over the side. Okay, and you just want to line this up to the edge and make sure that your score line here is on where it will be folded over. And then you have a little window. So you just want to add your frosting. And you have some gumdrops. So you have a white backing, and that's to show through. It's the light, on your gumdrops. And if you want some multiple colors, just cut out your extra gumdrops that you have there. There are 2 of them. If you want them all different colors, just duplicate this piece. As you need. And then this piece is going to go right along the bottom of the side. So just go side to side and glues down here. You can go over the edge a little if you wanted, because there's about a 1/4 inch on the bottom of the box there. And then just center your window. And then your door, you're going to center this piece onto the front. Actually, you're going to line it up to the bottom. And then you're going to put your frosting across the top. Then center that right in here. Line it up to the bottom and center it. And then you have 2 lollipops, one for either side of the door. Okay, then flip it over. And again, we have our roof. And I've already put the backing on it. And you're going to line that up so that your score line is going over the edge. We have our little gumdrop border and our window. And then this side has a gumdrop tree. Start at the bottom and work to the top. And just center it on the back. And then just like the front, there's 2 lollipops for that side as well. We'll just put them on either side of our tree. And there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up. I have to hold this here for a second just to make sure it grabs hold. And now I am going to put a couple of dots of glue to hold my roof down. Or my frosting, I should say, from my roof. Now that I can see for certain that it's in the right place, I did not want to glue it down and have it be wrong and mess up my house. is. There is your gingerbread milk carton house. Thank you for joining me.